Welcome to my honest review of FXChoice, a well-established Forex and CFD broker that many traders use worldwide. Whether you're just starting or already trading, it's crucial to understand the platform before committing funds. So what is FXChoice all about? FXChoice offers a wide range of assets, including Forex pairs, cryptocurrencies, and CFDs. With its easy-to-use interface, beginners can quickly navigate through the platform, making it a great option for new traders. The main advantage of FXChoice is its competitive spreads and the lack of hidden fees, allowing traders to keep more of their profits. Their customer service is also commendable, available 24/5, offering support in multiple languages. Traders can access their MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms, known for stability and various tools that help even experienced traders maximize profits. However, some users have reported slower withdrawal times, and the choice of crypto assets, while available, is more limited compared to other platforms. FXChoice remains an excellent choice for Forex and CFD traders, but be mindful of these aspects. FXChoice provides various account types to suit your trading style, whether you prefer lower spreads or more flexibility in trade execution. You can choose between their classic or pro accounts, with the pro account offering ECN spreads for more professional traders. Now, are you tired of the ups and downs of trading and constantly analyzing market trends? PrimeXPT offers a seamless solution. Copy the trades of experienced, successful traders and replicate their strategies automatically. With PrimeXPT, you can step up your trading game without all the hassle. Just register, make a deposit, and start copying winning trades today. As for FXChoice, the platform also offers a copy trading feature where you can follow the strategies of experienced traders. This is ideal for those who don't want to spend all day analyzing charts, but still want to benefit from the markets. Simply choose a trader to copy, and your account will automatically mirror their trades in real time. This makes it easier for beginners to start profiting even with minimal experience. FXChoice also keeps trading costs low, with no commissions for trading CFDs, and the platform is transparent about overnight fees, so there are no surprises. Their deposit and withdrawal methods are varied, including bank transfers, credit cards, and even cryptocurrencies, which makes it convenient for global users. The minimum deposit to get started is also relatively low compared to other brokers, which is another big plus for newcomers. To sum up, FXChoice is a solid choice if you're looking for a reliable Forex and CFD broker that offers competitive fees, user-friendly platforms, and robust customer support. If you are ready to start copying the trades of experienced traders and growing your investments, don't wait. Subscribe, give a like, and click the link in the description to begin your journey today.